New single from FINNEAS just came out. It's called What They'll Say About Us, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So for this, we're going to place a capo on the first fret, and the intro and verse are made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A major chord. So for this, you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. Next is an A major chord with a G sharp bass. So you're going to keep your first finger where it is, and then you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the low E string. Next is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And then last is an E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus, which is also the bridge. This is made up of 2 chords, the first of which is a D major chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And then next is an E major chord, which we already learned. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the guitar solo section right after the bridge. This is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an F sharp minor chord, which we already learned. Next is an E major chord, which we also learned already. And then last is a D major chord, which we also learned already. And then we go back to an E major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for What They'll Say About Us. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.